Hello, welcome back to the FinBus channel. This channel is all about the stock markets, building your wealth and personal finance. Myself, Shamil Sajjad, I am a certified capital markets dealer and a certified mutual funds advisor from the National Institute of Securities Markets. I myself invest and trade in the markets and also manage a hedge fund. I regularly bring you videos related to the stock markets, building your wealth and personal finance. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Please share the content of this channel through your social media handles. Please post your valuable comments in the comment section below and also give a thumbs up to this video if you like the content of this video. This is our end of the day segment and we come up with a stock for analysis at the closing of each day's trading, and today we'll be looking at Nilkamal, which is a fundamentally very strong company, and technically also this stock is very attractive levels for buying at present. So today we'll be looking at Nilkamal. Details of this stock: BSE code is 523385, NSE code is Nilkamal, and it is in the plastic sector. Current market price of the stock is 1387. The company has a market capitalization of 2100 crores and is a small cap company. The face value of the share is rupees 10. The company's registered office is in Silvassa in the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Nilkamal at the current price levels is very much undervalued when compared to the sectoral index. The PE ratio of Nilkamal is around 17 and the industry has a PE ratio of around 36.5. The price to book ratio of the company is just a bit lower than the industry PB ratio. The price to book ratio of Nilkamal is at 2 and the industry PB is at 2.02. The shareholding pattern: Nilkamal is a very closely held company. Only 35% of the shares are outside the vicinity of the promoters. Promoters hold 65% of the company. Foreign institutional investors and foreign portfolio investors have just a stake of 2%. Domestic institutional investors, which include mutual fund houses and insurance companies, hold 20%, and others including retailers have only 13% stake in the company. The stock is currently trading above all the simple moving averages: 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, 50-day, 100-day and 200 days. That is a clear signal of building bullishness in the stock. Let us look at more technical indicators in thorough detail of this stock. When we see the accumulation to distribution curve, we can very well see that after a good period of downward trend, the accumulation distribution curve is strongly spiking up, indicating strong buying momentum in the stock, which confirms the trend indicator with the simple moving average. We have a very steadily rising average directional index curve, and the positive directional index of the stock is very much higher than the negative directional index, 9 times higher to be exact. The negative DI is at 6 and the positive DI is at 45. Chaikin money flow, which is a very useful momentum indicator, we can see that it is deeply rising just like the accumulation distribution data. So both of these indicators along with other indicators confirm the bullishness in this stock. We have period of positive momentum towards the latter part of the 10 trading sessions, and towards the end, that is by today and yesterday, we can see that the momentum is increasing. There is a spike that we can see towards the end of the plot, and that is also an additional indicator of bullishness in the stock. The relative strength index is indicating overbought levels, which means that we can have a couple of days of profit booking or sideways movement, which is temporary as far as my reading goes, and that interim period can be followed by huge buying in the stock, and it is very common for stocks trending upwards to pause a bit and show some sort of a sedentary movement, and then the fresh buying comes in and the price moves up very fast. On balance volume, which is again a momentum indicator, is trending upwards and sharply rising, as we can see from this plot, and that is also a confirmation of the bullishness in the stock. In the volume charts, we can find very good volume spurts in 2 trading sessions, and in between we can see days of consolidation, and this has to be followed by more and more volume constructions in the volume graph. Buying conditions for this stock, we should look for gap down openings in Nifty, as there are rumors that the market is overvalued. We should ensure that there are no gap down openings, and if the market is trending in ranges, we can have an entry into the stock, and also ensure that the price trends up to at least 1395 from the current levels, in order to ensure that it is an inline day with the current trend. Targets for the stock: intraday traders who want to exit their positions within a day should ensure the buying conditions conducive for that kind of a trade, and 1415 can be put as an initial target, and a second target can be at 1425, and a short term target can be 1510, and a medium target of 1680 is in the cards, and the stock can very well move beyond 1750 levels within a span of 6 months to 1 year if the markets remain sane and we don't have major crashes in the market. Intraday and short-term traders should work with a stop loss, and a right stop loss seems to be 1360. If one is there to accumulate the stock, it's a fundamentally very strong company, and technicals also are also in favor of the company at present, and in that case this stop loss might not be very relevant. I wish and hope that this video will be useful to you in the upcoming trading sessions. As you leave, please give a thumbs up to this video. Please share this video in your social media handles, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also please post your valuable comments in the comments box below. Thank you. Till we meet again, it's bye from me.